Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited about today's video. So today I'm going to be doing a $1 only makeup tutorial. The whole purpose of me filming this is that I wanted to prove to everyone that you don't need to spend a lot to get good quality. You don't need to be spending $50 to $100 on a foundation or a $50 eyebrow pencil or anything like that. There's definitely a lot of amazing products in the drugstore, but I really wanted to go that extra mile and try out the $1 products and see how they went, and there was definitely a lot of hits and a lot of misses. So if you want to know how I created this look and what I use, then please keep watching. I've been wanting to film this for the longest time. The parcel took forever to arrive and then I just have not had the chance to film. So it is like super late at night right now. It's like 10 p.m. Just finished like a 12-hour work day and I'm like super exhausted, but I'm like so excited to film this. I'm ready. I'm like ridiculously tired and I know that this is a bad idea, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So I did a somewhat large-ish order, I guess, from Shop Miss A, which is a kind of like $1 cosmetic store. So it came in the mail about a week ago. I only just got the chance to film. So I'm super excited. Some of it came a little bit broken, but like it's $1, so I'm not going to complain. I'm super excited to give this all a go. I can already tell the foundation shade looks way too light for me and it was like the darkest colour, so this is going to be super interesting. Starting out with primer, this one is by the brand AOA and it's a mattifying primer. Well, it smells pretty good. I kind of wanted to do this to hopefully show that you don't have to spend an absolute bomb on makeup to get good products. It doesn't really feel mattifying, to be honest. It feels like sunscreen. For foundation, I got the Muse Flawless Liquid Foundation. I used to use Muse like when I was like 18 years old. It used to be like my favourite lip pencil brand. I used to use it to death. So we're going to give the foundation a go. I can already tell it is way too light for my fake tan, so alright, so it's quite thick, so damn it, how is this? This was literally the darkest foundation on the website, like in this range. This looks like the start of a Halloween tutorial. Pretty decent, like I honestly don't hate it at all. I'm going to apply a tiny bit more just to see how the coverage goes, but it goes on pretty like probably medium cover, like straight away. I think that's really good coverage if the colour was right. Maybe it oxidizes. If you squint your eyes, it doesn't look that bad. Then I'm going to use the AOA Wonder Cover Concealer. This looks like pretty white, which could be good. It's in the shade Porcelain. I did want to get one that was pretty light. It says it's a HD concealer. Does anyone else smell everything? This actually smells really toxic. Oh. That foundation is set like pretty matte, honestly. Was it meant to be matte? I don't think it is. Nope, doesn't say it's matte, but honestly I would call it a matte finish. It's got no dewiness at all to it, which I like a lot. So if this was in the right colour, maybe it'd be okay. I feel like it's oxidizing already. I don't really like this concealer. It's like a really weird consistency. It's almost like the Rimmel Wake Me Up. For some reason, I just don't like that one. I don't understand the rave about it. It's that weird kind of like, I think maybe because it's thick. I don't really like the thickness of it. That is not moving. Oh my god. This is going to be so hard to blend. This is not blending. Like, it literally refuses. Well, it looks like we're stuck like this forever. It does not move. Help me, makeup gods. I'm gonna take a really quick nap. I did get banana powder by that brand, the AOA brand. So it is a loose banana powder. I've never really tried loose banana powder before. It looks very yellow. That is going on like pure yellow. Oh my god. I legit had high hopes for this video, like turning out really good. Maybe it'll show you guys what not to buy. That eye's not bad. This one, maybe I put too much on. It's a bit orange. Next we have the Santee Matte Powder. Very generously came with a little sponge. I guess I should use it. It's very mattifying, like I can feel my skin going. Like it doesn't look that bad. Like I feel like my skin looks okay. Like it's doable. My skin is doable. Not bad. I feel like it's oxidized to my tan like quite well, which is usually a bad thing, but in this circumstance I would let it happen. I did get like a contoury bronzer shade in this little packet because I think they usually go on a palette, but I only wanted to spend $1 on every product, so I just got the one inside the packet. Doesn't look too bad. That's the shade there. Ooh, that's not bad. Winning $1 bronzer. Whoop, whoop. At least something's pretty good. That's nice. I did buy a baked highlight. It looks alright. So this is the one brush that I did buy. I got a new like highlight fan brush. I think it was like probably only $1 or $2 as well. It's by the same brand as the highlight. It feels pretty good. It's a little bit like the packaging wasn't on it properly, so it's a little bit deformed, but it's alright. We can reshape him. Nothing. I feel like it's the brush's fault. Not, oh, is it? Whose fault is it? I'm trying to use my finger because this highlight's like not pigmented at all. Come on. This is like 25 layers of highlight later. This is like starting to match me so much better. It oxidized a lot. Apparently I bought 2 eyebrow products. I got the Amuse Matte Long Lasting Pro Eyebrow Pencil in dark coffee. It kind of reminds me of like the Revlon ones where it's got like a triangle tip to it, which is a bit thick, so I don't know how I like that one. And then the other one is the Sculpting Brow Pencil by that same brand I've been using, and oh, it's exactly the same. I don't know why I got 2. So it's got that like pointed. I'm going to go for the AOA one, I think, just because it's more of like a black brown and I do prefer that look. So the AOA one is also quite like it's a bit harder. A heap of product doesn't go on. It's not as pigmented, which I like because I don't like it to go on super dark when I'm doing it. I like it to be little feather strokes. Whereas the Amuse one's like quite pigmented when I drew it on my hand, so nice. Wow. I actually really like it. I don't think I bought a brow gel actually, did I? I thought I did. I did. So again, by the brand AOA, just because this brand looks like really, I don't know, it just looked like the best quality out of all the $1 range. Oh, it's got like that tiny little brush. Yes! Loving it. Wow, that's actually not bad at all. Oh, I didn't know I bought a blush. This is the one that's like broken, but it looks so cute. This colour looks perfect. It's by Clean Colour. The colour looks so perfect. Look at that. Holy pigment. Whoa. I honestly thought that a $1 blush would have no pigment. Right, for the eyes, I bought a few different things. I thought I got an eyeshadow palette, but apparently I didn't. So for some reason I bought this like powdered pearl eyeshadow, a pressed eyeshadow and a glitter eyeshadow, a glitter liner, that says not intended to be used around the eyes. So that's kind of like pointless. I might use that bronzer to a little bit through my crease. So you can't go wrong with a bit of a bronzer through the crease. Kind of looks like a NYX blush. It's by Princessa. Weird brand name. I might actually just quickly pop that bronzer over my entire eyelid. Use it as a lid colour as well. And I will use this through the crease and through like the outer V section. It's a little bit like chalky and it's having a lot of fallout. But the colour's not too bad. My under eyes have creased really bad. Like really bad. I'm going to take that bronzer and sweep that underneath my entire lash line. Bronzer is literally the best eyeshadow. And then just applying that darker tone to the outer V, just to get a bit of like a little bit of smokiness on the outside of the eye. Then taking this little gold shimmer pot. It's also by Princessa. Kind of just want to use it as like an inner corner pizzang. I'm just going to pop that on my inner corner. It's so pigmented. Oh, and it blends out so nicely. I really like that. For $1, that is like an absolute bargain. Okay, so I'm going to move on to lashes. I actually quite regularly buy my eyelashes from this store, so I usually buy the Cocoa Lashes Queen Bees, but I think they're a bit more than $1. They had these ones here. They were the closest ones I could find to the Red Cherry 43s and the Ardell Wispies. So they're these ones here. So these ones here look like the Wispies and these are closer to the Red Cherries. But today we're going to use the Wispy lookalikes. But how nice are these for $1? I did get a liquid liner, but long story short, I ran out of liquid liner the other day, saw that I had this one sitting here, so I decided to use it. And for some reason like all the writing and that's come off it, but I do know it was through that brand, the AOA brand. It's definitely not waterproof though, so it comes off pretty easy with water. Like if you get watery eyes, it kind of smudges a bit, but like for $1 eyeliner and it's not bad. I did get mascara, but I'm like a little bit scared of it. It's by Starry. Look at the packaging. It's definitely not a very wet mascara, which I don't mind. I did buy 2 colours because I wasn't sure. This one's way more purple than I thought it was going to be, so I might have to go for the dark one. Remind me of the Colourpop packaging. I might try it a little bit just before I go on with the red. Yeah, it's like proper purple. It's drying that pretty quick though, it's almost there. Wow, it smells identical to Colourpop. What the heck? Is it Colourpop? I feel like I'm gonna get major butthole lips with this, like. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed filming it so much. So yeah, I like really liked a heap of these products and I really didn't like a heap of them, so it was kind of like hit and miss. That was kind of the point of me making this video. I wanted to show that it's not about spending $100 on a foundation. I really like the foundation, I like the powder, I like the bronzer, I really like the brow product. Lashes are amazing. I've bought my lashes from there forever. I really like that kind of inner corner eyeshadow. And the lipstick, I love the colour, but I don't love the formula. It very much so reminds me of Colourpop in a lot of different ways. I don't know if it's from the same factory or what. Yeah, I hope you guys all have an amazing day or night, and I'll hopefully see you all in my next video. Bye!